Hi, Juan. Hi, Crystal. Take a look. It is still very breezy and warm outside because of these strong offshore winds, and it will continue to stay pretty gusty as we head into the evening. But we're looking at a gradual decrease in some spots. So earlier this morning, you can see that this map was lit up from the foothills all the way to the beaches. But right now, you can see that we are looking at some lighter winds in areas like Santa Monica, some lighter winds also in Woodland Hills. But we're still looking at some gustier conditions, double digits, not quite as bad, though, as earlier for Fontana and Pasadena and also the Santa Clarita area. Take a look at some of our wind gusts. So Fremont Canyon looked like it had hurricane force type gusts into this earlier today, that is. About mid-morning, just before the 10 a.m. hour. They came in with gusts about 82 miles per hour. This is located in Orange County. Malibu Hills had gusts at 66 miles per hour. Same with Corona, 62 for Woodland Hills, Ontario at 60, and Monrovia with a gust of about 54 degrees. So things are definitely calming down just a little bit, but it is still pretty windy as we head into the overnight hours. We still have a wind advisory in place, especially for areas like the San Fernando and also the Santa Clarita Valley for LA and Ventura County. And then we also have this red flag warning. All right, so here's a look at what's happened. Our red flag warning. It's going to stay with us till about Tuesday night. So that just means with the hot, dry, gusty conditions, rapid fire growth is very possible. That's why this has been issued since the weekend. So fire crews are on edge until this is all said and done. But because we've had such dry conditions, because of the winds drying out our atmosphere, our dew point, take a look at that. We are down into the negative territory. So this means it is bone dry outside because of the very gusty conditions. Usually our dew points should be in the mid 50s. Right now we're looking at negative 15 for Lancaster and then also down into the negative territory for Van Nuys and Camarillo. If you're not used to dew points, here's a look at the relative humidity. So you can see it is just single digits and into the teens. It is very dry outside and it will continue to stay dry. So that's why we have those red flag warnings. Temperatures out the door today, much warmer than yesterday. 85 for the coast, 79 for the valleys. And here's a look at our wind gusts as we head into the evening. We're going to look at those winds picking up again for the foothills and mountains. So mainly for areas like the high deserts, Fontana, possibly into the Woodland Hills area. But overall, we're going to start to see those winds decrease just a little bit more as we head into the evening. And then by the time we head into tomorrow afternoon, those winds will relax tremendously. So it's not going to be, again, quite as strong as what we saw earlier today. But we are dealing with double-digit wind speeds.